Best Tech Gadgets of 2025? Look no further. This video unveils the top 5 most groundbreaking tech gadgets you absolutely need to see. Snag these amazing gadgets early. Check out the links in the description below. From smartwatches to foldable phones, we've got it all covered. Number 1. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 redefines rugged smartwatches with enhanced durability and features. Number 2. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 pushes the boundaries of foldable phone technology with its innovative design. Number 3. The Google Pixel 7a offers incredible value and top-tier camera performance in a budget-friendly package. Number 4. Experience unparalleled sound quality with the noise-canceling Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones. Number 5. Immerse yourself in virtual reality with the cutting-edge Meta Quest 3. This top 5 list of 2025's best tech has something for everyone, so keep watching for the full breakdown of each incredible gadget. Don't miss out, these are the must-have tech gadgets of 2025.